Welcome to Informed Tourist. This is Curtis, your traveling guru. We are your passport to discovering the world's most fascinating destinations in a whole new light. Today, we're taking you on a journey that goes far beyond the glitz and glamour you think you know. Meet Curtis, your traveling guru and the ultimate insider when it comes to uncovering the hidden side of every city. He's here to show you a Las Vegas you've never seen before. What if I told you Las Vegas is more than just slot machines, poker tables, and dazzling casino floors? There's a whole other world waiting for you just steps away from the main attractions. Most visitors never realize the real magic is hidden in plain sight, tucked away in secret speakeasies, local hangouts, and places only the locals know about. They see the lights, the spectacle, and the crowds, but they miss the stories, the culture, and the secrets that make Vegas truly unforgettable. Today we're pulling back the curtain to reveal a side of Las Vegas that's rarely seen by tourists. Get ready to experience the city like a true insider. We'll explore the Vegas locals love, hidden culinary gems where chefs create magic, surreal art installations tucked away in the arts district, and outdoor adventures that will take your breath away. You're here for something extraordinary, and that's exactly what you'll get. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover experiences that most visitors never even hear about. We're diving deep to uncover adventures, art, and flavors that will completely redefine your idea of a Vegas vacation. This is your invitation to see the city through new eyes. Stick around for the most jaw-dropping secret at the end. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get started and unlock the real Las Vegas together. Our journey begins with a true Las Vegas icon, the Fountains of Bellagio. Nestled in the heart of the Strip, these fountains are more than just a landmark. They're a symbol of the city's flair for the spectacular. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle, the anticipation builds for one of the most breathtaking shows in town. This isn't just a fountain show, it's a mesmerizing symphony of water, light, and music, all perfectly synchronized to create a magical experience that's free for everyone to enjoy. The fountains come alive every 15 to 30 minutes, drawing crowds from all over the world who gather to witness the spectacle. Each performance is unique, with more than 1,000 water jets soaring as high as a 46-story building, dancing in perfect harmony to a diverse soundtrack. From the soaring vocals of Pavarotti to the electrifying beats of Tiesto, the music selection ensures that no two shows are ever quite the same. Whether you find your spot at the lake's edge, surrounded by the buzz of excited onlookers, or settle in at a nearby restaurant terrace for a front-row seat, the view is always unforgettable. The atmosphere is electric, with people of all ages pausing to take in the wonder. Over 1,200 nozzles and 4,500 lights work in perfect unison, creating a dazzling display that illuminates the night sky. The choreography is so precise it feels as if the water itself is dancing to the rhythm of the music. The playlist is always changing, featuring everything from timeless classics to modern hits, so there's always something new to experience no matter how many times you visit. So before you rush off to explore the rest of Las Vegas, take a moment to let the Bellagio's dancing waters captivate your senses. It's a magical introduction to the city's endless wonders, and the perfect way to begin our adventure together. From the classic elegance of Las Vegas to a bold vision of the future, welcome to the Sphere, a marvel that redefines what's possible in entertainment and architecture. As you approach, the city's neon lights seem to fade in comparison to this glowing orb, a beacon of innovation that draws visitors from around the world. This colossal orb is a landmark of programmable LEDs, morphing from a winking eye to the moon, to mesmerizing abstract patterns that ripple across its surface. The Sphere's exterior is a living canvas, constantly shifting and transforming, captivating everyone who passes by. It's not just a building, it's a spectacle, a piece of digital art that never repeats itself. Step inside and you're instantly transported into a sci-fi world. Holograms shimmer in the air, interactive art installations respond to your movements, and even humanoid robots greet you in the high-tech atrium. Every corner is designed to surprise and delight, making you feel like you've entered a portal to another dimension. The main auditorium is the heart of the experience, featuring a breathtaking 16K wraparound screen that envelops you in stunning visuals. Haptic seats vibrate and move in sync with the action, transporting you across the globe in Postcard from Earth. It's not just a show, it's a journey that blurs the line between reality and imagination. Feel the wind rush past your face, the rumble of distant thunder beneath your feet, and even the subtle sense of forests and oceans. The Sphere's sensory effects immerse you in every moment, making you forget you're sitting in a theater. It's a multi-sensory adventure that engages every sense, leaving you breathless and amazed. Behind the scenes, cutting-edge technology powers every detail, seamlessly blending digital storytelling with state-of-the-art entertainment tech. Engineers, artists, and visionaries have come together to create an experience that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. setting a new standard for immersive entertainment worldwide. The Sphere is a must-see for anyone craving the next level of Vegas spectacle. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an art lover, or just looking for something unforgettable, this is the place where dreams and reality collide. Visitors leave with memories and photos that will last a lifetime. As you step back into the night, you'll find yourself glancing over your shoulder wondering if what you just experienced was real or a dream. The Sphere isn't just a venue, it's a portal to another dimension, and it's waiting for you to explore. Let's get a new perspective, atop the High Roller. This 550-foot observation wheel offers breathtaking 360-degree views of Las Vegas. Step into a spacious pod and watch the Strip's neon energy give way to the vast desert and distant mountains. Ride at sunset for the ultimate transition from day to night. Opt for the happy half-hour cabin for a sky-high cocktail party. The High Roller isn't just a view, it's a moment of clarity above the chaos. See the city's scale and beauty from a peaceful vantage point. It's a must-do for every Vegas visitor. Time to tantalize your taste buds at Hell's Kitchen in Caesar's Palace. The restaurant recreates the TV show's fiery atmosphere, with chefs in red and blue bandanas working in open kitchens. Start with pan-seared scallops, then savor the legendary beef Wellington, tender, flaky, and worth the hype. Don't skip the sticky toffee pudding for dessert. Dining here is more than a meal, it's a culinary show. Impeccable service, electric ambiance, and unforgettable food make it a splurge worth every penny. For fans and foodies alike, it's a must-try Vegas adventure. No, it's raw here, just perfection. Now for the other side of Vegas dining, Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace. This is no ordinary buffet, it's a culinary theme park with hundreds of dishes across 9 open kitchens. Sample everything from street tacos to wood-fired pizza, dim sum, and hand-rolled sushi. The seafood station is a highlight, with chilled crab legs and oysters. Dishes are served in artful individual portions, encouraging you to try it all. Save room for the dessert wonderland, pastries, gelato, and more. Bacchanal is indulgent, spectacular, and a foodie's dream. Come hungry and prepare to be amazed. Ready for a quest? Let's find secret pizza in the Cosmopolitan. No signs, no map, just a hidden hallway lined with vinyl records. Follow your nose and the sound of pinball to a tiny graffiti-covered pizza joint. Grab a classic New York-style slice, cheese, pepperoni, or white pizza. It's the perfect late-night snack or quick, affordable meal. Secret pizza is a shared secret, a delicious act of rebellion in a city of glitz. Now you're in on it. Don't tell too many people. Enjoy the thrill of discovery. Time to feed your mind at Meow Wolf's Omega Mart. On the surface, it's a quirky supermarket, but look closer. Nothing is as it seems. Explore aisles of bizarre products, then discover hidden portals to psychedelic worlds. Touch everything, open every door, and get lost in interactive art and secret passages. There's a mysterious story to unravel, or just wander and marvel at the surreal environments. Omega Mart is a playground for the curious, confusing, hilarious, and brilliant. It's unlike anything else in Vegas. Don't drink the emergency clam milk. Let's honor Vegas's glittering past at the Neon Museum. This outdoor boneyard is filled with iconic neon signs from old casinos and businesses. Walk Among Giants, the Moulin Rouge script, Treasure Island's skull, Aladdin's lamp. Visit at night for a guided tour as restored signs glow against the desert sky. Guides share stories of Vegas's transformation and neon artistry. Every corner is a perfect photo op capturing the soul of old Vegas. The Neon Museum preserves the city's visual history and spirit. It's a nostalgic must-see journey through time. Now for the wild side, Fremont Street Experience in downtown Las Vegas. 5 blocks of pure energy covered by the world's largest video screen. The Viva Vision canopy lights up hourly with epic sound and visuals. On the ground, street performers, live bands, and costumed characters create a non-stop party. Grab a giant drink and soak in the electric atmosphere. For thrill seekers, fly above it all on the Slotzilla zipline. Fremont Street is gritty, loud, and undeniably fun. A block party every night. It's the historic soul of Vegas, unfiltered. Time for a change of pace. Red Rock Canyon, just west of the Strip. Discover stunning geological formations and serene desert landscapes. Drive the 13-mile scenic loop or hike trails like Calico Tanks for hidden views of the Strip. Spot wildlife and marvel at ancient petrified sand dunes. The Visitor Center offers insights into the area's geology and history. Red Rock is a reset button, peaceful, beautiful, and a world away from the city. Breathe fresh air and connect with Nevada's wild side. It's the perfect antidote to Vegas's chaos. Our desert journey continues at 7 Magic Mountains. Just south of Vegas, 7 neon-painted boulder towers rise from the desert. It's a burst of color against a stark landscape, a bridge between nature and artifice. The location's isolation makes the colors pop, especially at sunrise or sunset. It's a photographer's dream and a quick, memorable detour. 7 Magic Mountains is pure, whimsical fun. Stop, look, and let art transform the desert. Back to the Future, welcome to Area 15. This immersive complex is a portal to a cyberpunk city, packed with glowing art and virtual reality. The Spine, its main hall, is a sensory wonderland with ever-changing projections. Choose your adventure VR battles, mirrored light shows, axe throwing, or flying simulators. Omega Mart is the anchor, but there's so much more. Indoor zipline, digital tree bar, and more. Area 15 is interactive, immersive, and cutting-edge. Art, tech, and nightlife collide in a neon dreamscape. It's the future of fun, just off the Strip. For the grand finale, we're taking to the skies. A sunset helicopter ride over the Strip, and the Grand Canyon for the ultimate thrill. Watch the city transform into a glittering tapestry as landmarks shrink below. Sunset flights offer cinematic views as neon lights flicker to life. Combine the Strip with a Grand Canyon flyover for an unforgettable contrast of nature and city. This is more than a tour, it's pure magic and the perfect trip finale. High above the chaos, you'll see Vegas in a whole new light. It's the secret to truly understanding this incredible city. From Bellagio's waters to Omega Mart's surreal aisles, and soaring above it all, we've uncovered a Vegas beyond the casino floor. This city is a universe of hidden gems, natural wonders, and mind-bending art. The real jackpot, exploring, being curious, and making unforgettable memories. I hope you're inspired to find your own adventure in Sin City. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe to support the channel. We're just scratching the surface. More Vegas secrets coming soon. What's your favorite non-gambling Vegas experience? Let us know in the comments. This is Curtis, signing off. Stay informed and keep exploring.